So when is the best time to meditate? Here at Wellness Academy, we have what we call our practice protocol. This means we begin our day with a meditation practice. It's a beautiful way to start your day and to put your mind and your emotions in a nice state as you enter your rest of your day, no matter what that day has ahead of you. Now, remember, if you're short on time, that doesn't mean you should be skipping your practice. You do what you can. Even if it's as short as 2 minutes or 5 minutes, that's what you do that day. But it's to not be skipped. This should be a non-negotiable practice session. Then an evening practice session. As you make the transition from your everyday life and before you go to bed, we recommend doing a very relaxing practice. This gives you a nice transition as you move from your busy everyday life where your mind is very active to calming down before sleep. These are both formal meditation practices. So what we mean by that is you create a space and time, usually at home, that's quiet, not too bright in the room, that you feel comfortable, and that you devote that time. Even if it's a short period of time, this is exactly the only thing you were doing at that moment. The final way to practice is what we call anytime, anywhere, micro wellness practice sessions. All throughout the day, you have the ability to take 30 seconds to a few minutes to maybe just focus on the breath for 3 breaths. Maybe do a quick body scan as you're sitting at your desk from the top of the head to the feet. Maybe just become aware of sounds, learning to just let things come and let things go. That these practices can be done anytime, anywhere, and truthfully, for any length of time.